So the legend up here is, first thing is for a woman who is 5'4", now this is just generally speaking, right? There's other factors that may go into this, such as like muscle mass and things like that. But generally speaking, a woman who is 5'4", healthy weight for her is between 109 to 134 pounds. And then BMI, so here is the formula for BMI calculation. You have to take the weight in kilograms and divide it by the height in meters squared. Okay, so basically what you're gonna have to do is you have to take one's weight and you're gonna have to convert it over to kilograms. And then with the height, you have to take the height in inches and convert it over to meters and then square it. So we're gonna go over that. First thing we're gonna do is her weight, right? So her weight is 110 pounds. You have to take her weight in pounds and divide it by 2.2. Now that should give you 50, which is what this number is right here. This is her BMI in August. She weighed 110 pounds in August, so 110 pounds is 50 kilograms. Now we have to take her height and, do the same thing except turn it into meters. 5'4", which in inches is 64, and divided by 39.37. And that's gonna give you 1.63 roughly, rounded up. You're not quite done yet. That's your height in meters, but you still have to square it. You have to put it to the exponent of 2. 1.63 squared is gonna give us 2.64. That is her height in meters squared. We now have everything we need to calculate her BMI. We have her weight in kilograms and we have her height in meters squared. So 50 divided by 2.64 is gonna give us 18.9 rounded off. Healthy BMI for women is between the ranges of 18 to, I believe it's 25 and a half, if I'm not mistaken. Once you get to about 26, you're considered overweight, and then of course over 30 is obese. Now, what's her current BMI? That's the second part of that first question. If you remember from the last part of the application, she had dropped 3 more pounds when she went back to go see the physician just before getting referred to a nutritionist. So she went from 97 to 94 pounds. She lost 3 more. So this would be her current weight right now, which we're gonna use to calculate her current BMI. So again, 94, right? And you're gonna divide that by 2.2. You're gonna get 43. We already have her height, that didn't change. So all we did was just carry the 2.64 down. So now you can take 43 and you can divide that by 2.64 and you're gonna get 16.3 BMI. This is a problem. Once you hit 16 or lower than 18, that is, which 16.3 is, you're starting to wade into the unhealthy stages of BMI.